Namaste, Prema from SG Electronics. So today we are making a recipe of air fry. See, normally it will be come for the frozen foods. We want to do for the deep fried normally. So today I am doing without using of the 1 cup of oil. So this is making for the it's a garlic potato fry. This is we are making for the bites here. So now I will take it for the local back to the separate one. That I can keep for the local multi-cook pan here I kept it. So this is now I can select for the convection mode. Maximum temperature you can use from the 230 or 220. Then you can start. So by the preheating time only, you can keep your frozen items inside. So once the preheating is done, you can keep it for the maximum time for 8 to 10 minutes of the time. If you want to more crispy, you can give another 1 or 2 minutes of the time. See, now it's going for the preheating option. It comes to the maximum 230 degrees Celsius. See, by the time only I kept for the inside, so it will be rotating. Rotating on the inside. The item will be there in the inside only. So I use for the low grill rack with a multi-cook pan I am using. So this is maximum temperature, it comes to 230 degrees. So once the preheated get done, it comes to the beeping part. Now it's a beeping will be coming. Now I can adjust the timing for. See, this is still it's not ready, but whatever the water molecules will be there, that it will be going on. So this again I can close the door. It will be there on the maximum. I can keep for 8 minutes time. Start. See, last 10 seconds will be there on that one. So now friends, we are making for the without 1 drop of oil. So those are the totally and diet free options. You can do similar like the frozen items on this one. So this is it's ready. It comes to the crispy and crunch. Okay.